Welcome back to Grammar Grade 6. This is Unit 5, Lesson 33, and today we're tackling a small group of adjectives that love to break the rules. Most adjectives compare in a tidy way, but a handful of very common ones do their own thing. They're irregular, and the good news is there aren't many of them. Once you know them by heart, you'll never trip over them again. Let's dig in. Let's warm up with a quick recap. When we compare things, adjectives have two special forms. The comparative form compares two things, like taller or faster. The superlative form compares three or more, like tallest or fastest. Most of the time, we build these by adding the endings, -er for the comparative and -est for the superlative. That's the normal, tidy pattern you already know. Here's the twist. A few adjectives refuse to follow that -er, -est rule. Instead of adding an ending, the whole word changes into a brand new spelling. There's no clever shortcut for these ones. You simply learn them and lock them into memory, the way you already know your name. The wonderful part is there are only a few of them, so let's meet them one family at a time. First family, good. When you compare two things, good becomes better. When you compare three or more, good becomes best. Listen to how it flows. This apple is good. This apple is better than that one. Out of the whole basket, this apple is the best. Notice we never say gooder or goodest, do we? The word simply transforms into better and best. Second family, bad. Compare two things and bad becomes worse. Compare three or more and bad becomes worst. Try it out. My cough is bad. My cough is worse than it was yesterday. Of the whole week, today my cough is the worst. And once again, watch out. We never say badder or baddest. Bad turns into worse and worst. Third family covers two words that share the same forms, many and much. Both of them become more when you compare two, and most when you compare three or more. Here's the thing to remember. We use many for things we can count, and much for things we cannot count. But they change in exactly the same way. I have many stickers. I have more stickers than you. Out of everyone, I have the most stickers. Same forms every time, more and most. Fourth family, little when it means a small amount of something. Compare two amounts and little becomes less. Compare three or more and little becomes least. For example, there is little juice left in the jug. There is less juice than milk in the fridge. And of all the drinks, there is the least juice of all. So little slides into less and least, no -er or -est anywhere in sight. Now let's clear up the traps. Because these forms already do the comparing for us, adding an ending or an extra word is a mistake. Gooder and goodest are not real words. The correct forms are better and best. Badder and baddest are not real words either. The correct forms are worse and worst. And here's a sneaky one people say all the time, more better. That's doubling up, and it's wrong. Better already means more good, so just say better on its own. Let's boil it into a quick check. Step 1. Is the adjective one of the irregular ones, good, bad, many, or much, or little? Step 2. If you're comparing two things, reach for the comparative form. Step 3. If you're comparing three or more, reach for the superlative. And the golden rule for these four families, no -er, no -est, and no adding more or most. The special word already does the job. Ready to practice? Time for our first set. I'll give you a sentence with a choice, and you decide which form is correct. Pause the video and try each one yourself before I reveal the answer. This is the blank of the two paintings, gooder or better. The word we're comparing with is good, which is irregular. We're comparing two paintings, so we need the comparative, and good becomes better. Gooder isn't a real word, so the answer is better. That was the blank storm of the year, baddest or worst. We're comparing one storm against all the others in the year, so that's 3 or more, which needs the superlative. Bad becomes worst, and baddest is not a word, so the answer is worst. I collected blank shells than my sister, more or most. The little word than is a big clue. We're comparing just two people, me and my sister, so we need the comparative form, which is more. Most would be for 3 or more, so the answer is more. Here's our second set. These get a little trickier, so read each one carefully. Pause and decide before I give the answer. Which is correct? Option 1 says, this soup is more better. Option 2 says, this soup is better. Remember, better already means more good, so adding more in front is doubling up. That's the mistake we talked about. So the correct sentence is simply, this soup is better. Of the 3 plans, this one has the blank risk, less or least. The phrase of the 3 tells us we're comparing 3 things, so we need the superlative. Little becomes less for 2, but least for 3 or more. So the answer is least. There are blank birds here than at the pond, many or more. The word than tells us we're comparing 2 places, here and the pond. Many is the plain form, but when we compare, many becomes more, so the answer is more. Let's wrap up. A handful of adjectives are irregular, which means the whole word changes shape instead of taking -er or -est. Learn these 4 families by heart. Good, better, best. Bad, worse, worst. Many or much, more, most. And little, less, least. Because these forms already do the comparing, you never add more or most on top, and more better is always wrong. Learn the special few, and comparing becomes easy. Great work today, and I'll see you in the next lesson.